Hello, everybody. I am Manan, and I'm a technical consultant here at GlideFast. Today, I'm going to demonstrate or give you a brief overview on a new app that ServiceNow is going to launch with the Vancouver release. It is called the Access Analyzer, and it's aimed to help admins and developers to view and analyze permissions for users, groups, and roles. You need to install the app through the application manager. Once you install it, you would have a separate module under your filter navigator called Access Analyzer, and the Analyze Permissions directly takes you to the app itself. Here, as you can see, it's a really simple interface, which is really easy to navigate. I can run an analysis based upon a user, a group, or a role. So for now, I'm just going to pick user and select Able Tutor for testing. I can run the analysis for a table, a script include, a UI page, or even a REST endpoint. So let's check what all permissions this app will have for the case table. As you can see, it came back with the results, and we can check that Abel has read access because it's passed, and report view access as that passed as well. But at the same time, he does not have access to create cases or write on cases or delete cases. The rest of the ACLs came back as undefined, so that operation does not have an ACL for the case table at the moment. But I want to check why does not Abel have create access for the case table. So from right here, I can click on the create operation, and it will further drill down and show me debug logs, which would be a list of ACLs that were blocked, the required roles for each of this ACL, and the level of access. So it would tell me the role level was blocked. There were no conditions as though those were script, and there were no scripts associated with these ACLs as those were skipped as well, and no customizations were made to the ACLs. So that simply means that if I need to provide Abel with write access on the case table, then I need to get him one of these roles. Let's go further back to the Overview tab or the overview of the Access Analyzer. Down below, you would be able to see a list of previously run analysis. Let's run an analysis for a group. So let's pick the application development group. And this time we are going to pick the user table. All right, let's see. Looks like that group does not have much access to the user table. It only has read access, and the rest is either undefined or it's blocked. Now let's suppose I need to run an analysis for, let's pick a different user this time, Abraham Lincoln. And we'll pick the user table again. But I wanted to focus on a particular field. So let's do the user ID and see what all permissions does Abraham Lincoln have for the user ID field. Looks like I need to pick a record. So I'm going to pick his own user record. Right? Looks like we have a combination of results. Abraham has report on and add to list. Well, those are undefined, so that does not really matter. But the rest are blocked for him. We have a message at the top which says one or more access controls with a script were found. So the ones in yellow with the exclamation mark. Some of them are blocked, some of them are passed, but they are here in yellow because a script ran that resulted into them being blocked or passed. So let's check out the read access. All right, it says it passed the SNC internal role level access. That's perfect. Public was skipped for obvious reasons. And then we had a third ACL, which was a field level ACL, which was passed, but then we can see there was a script that ran. I can further open the ACL itself, and we can check there's a script that runs that provided access to Abraham Lincoln to have view access on that particular field. Further on, you can run these queries for roles. So if you have a custom role created for a custom application that you have, and for some reason, users with that particular role are not able to view records on your custom application, you can quickly use the Access Analyzer. You can pick your role and your custom map table and run the analyze permissions, and it would tell you where exactly you are lacking. I'm pretty sure this is going to be coming in very handy for all the admins and developers out there. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.